Today we'll be unboxing this thing right here. It's the Enduro, Element Knightrunner from Associated Electronics, and this is the Knightrunner 4x4 by Knight Customs and Element. And I know there's a lot of videos out there regarding unboxing this one, so I'm not gonna go through all the details and things like that. I'm just gonna basically open it up, see what's there, and we'll take it from there. And I'll do a separate day on actually running this thing and put this on a test and run it and see how it performs or how I like it. This is pretty much my very first kit that I bought. I have another crawler and I traded in my BMX bike for it, and that one was the RC 4-wheel drive kit. It's like an old kit anyway, and that one I ran a few times and I just need some repairs. But this is the very first crawler that I ever bought and first RTR crawler I ever bought. And I mainly got this one so that my son and I can play with this. I mean, because my son loves 4x4s. He loves monster trucks, so he's gonna have a blast with this one as well as I will. Because I love scale models and I love realisticality. I just love it. So this is I have some things in the works for this, and hopefully you'll see it sooner than later. And this is just gonna be a small part of my RC arsenal. I have a few drift cars and I have a drag racer as well, and I have another crawler. I have a lot of model kit car dancers and car hoppers and things like that. I even had a mini truck scissor lift type bed with a spinning bed and all that, but that's for another topic. But let's get on with this one. I'll open it up and see what we got here. So here we go. So let's see here. I believe, okay. So I'm just gonna up here. I think I'm doing this one wrong, but what the hell? Let's just see what we got here. Gotta be careful with this one because I know the packaging, the box also serves as a I guess like a display. It's like a garage display, and I want to preserve that because I can use it on a lot of my my RCs and use it for display. Yep, so here we go. There it is. Let's put this out of the way so I don't get any accidents. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Yeah, so if you can see that. You see that one? So that's how it looks. So I want to preserve that. So put that on the side for now. And let's get on with this guy here. This is the star right here. And there she goes. There she is. So this is the Knightrunner, and the thing of beauty, man. You know. So if you can see that. Oops. I messed up then. There's a few things here. This thing is beautiful. It is a really beautiful piece, you know. And really good. I gotta be careful with this thing. So yeah. Let's just over, cut these guys here, and cut the let's see, my scissors. My scissors is here. If you've been paying attention, or if you've been watching all my other videos, if you're wondering, this is not my sidekick. I replaced it with the Leatherman Wave. So I'll be doing a feature in this one as well a bit later on. So it's not a good idea to be using this on a thick piece, but it's a good test. So like I said, my pain is your gain. My financial pain is your gain. So that's basically what I try to do with my page, is that I try to test things out so that you don't have to, you know. So that's my whole goal on this page. Yeah, man, this thing is beautiful. This thing is just beautiful. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a beauty right there. Chassis. Oh, they did a great job on this one. And I love realisticality. I love it. So I'm a big sucker for it. So the way they made this, yeah, it's not a licensed Toyota piece, but we all know what it is, right? You know it's a Tacoma. Can't wait to rip this thing off, man. So yeah, it has all the manual. I'm gonna read all through this, get all the accessories. It's a front runner tent. Looks like it got dented out, but whatever. And some other pieces here, got the bed wraps and all that. This piece, oh, it's a controller. So, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm not gonna go through all the details with this one. There's a lot of other videos out there that's dedicated on this, and they do a way better feature than what I'm doing, and they go through everything and all of that. I just wanted to open it and kind of show you how it is and give you my opinion on it. And my opinion is, this is an awesome piece. I love it. I can't wait to get all the rest of the Knight Customs accessories, and I've taken a look at it. It's pricey, but it's worth it. The first thing that I want to get from Knight Customs is the wheel wells, and also the light buckets. That's my main one right now. The light buckets and the wheel well. I hate this open area here, and I'm gonna do some customizing of my own on this. I'm still deciding if I'm gonna put the bed kit, the bed rack with the tent. And I'm also deciding if I'm gonna keep this bull bar here. I'm not a big fan of bull bars. This bull bar here, I'm not a big fan of it. I might chop that one off, and I think I might chop it off. We'll see, but I'm not a big fan of bull bars. Let's see here. Yeah, so a little bit of customizing, give it a test run, see how it looks, and we'll go from there. But look forward to some customizations on this one, because I'm gonna be customizing this a whole lot. I am trying to see if they come in a clear body, because I want to paint it a different color, color that to my liking. That's not to say that this color is not great. It's an awesome color. I kind of want like a multicam wrap on this, if I could somehow do that. Talk to a friend of mine that does stickers, so let's see if I can do something like that. And if not, get a clear shell and paint it, or paint over this one, because I'm gonna paint it like how I would do it if this was my truck, my real truck. So yeah, look forward to that one, and hopefully real soon. So if you got any questions, any comments, any tips for me, anything at all, if you want me to feature something, show you something on this one, hit the comments, and we can go from there. I mean, I can make a video of it, or I could feature it in my Instagram page, and it's linked into my banner, my YouTube banner. So you can go there too as well, or my blog. I might put this up on my blog as well. So you could go there if you have any questions, comments, anything like that, any tips for me. And yeah, so I just kind of wanted to give you my opinion on it. Love it. Love the detail. You know, windshield washer, windshield wiper arms, side view mirrors, door handles, rock sliders, custom bumpers, front and rear. You know, it even has a hitch on it, exhaust systems, links. It's just an awesome looking truck, man. I'm not really digging the wheels in this one. I don't really like the rims, so I might change that to something else. Maybe even the tire, but maybe I just might keep it as is, because it's my very first one. So yeah, hope you like this video, and hit the comment and hit the like if you already haven't. But if you haven't, please hit the like and hit the subscribe if this is your first time. Smash the subscribe, it really helps me a lot. I can keep making contents regularly. So yeah, as always, take care and aloha. See you again.